What's happening, party people? Hey, before we get started, go ahead and hit that like, thumbs up button. And I just want to let you know what's going on. We're Madam in Texas with Mita taking care of some arrangements for our wedding ceremony we're about to have with the Justice of the Peace. And we're going to have a, I guess, modest reception, early dinner with the close family and friends. And hey, I appreciate you all watching today's clips. Hopefully, we'll get all the final arrangements for that set up so that we can start a new chapter in life near the end of this month. Hey, a special shout out to a couple of my buddies up there in Chicago. They actually sent me a little bit of help to, kind of offset some of the cost of that stuff, wish us well, give us a little gift to have a nice dinner. I appreciate that support and co-signing on the things that I got going on in my life. I really do appreciate that. Today's clips, just some brief stuff when I went through Vegas, getting ready to head to Seattle. So I had a junkyard trip, couple of things I found out at the junkyard, took care of shipping some parts out for some people. And that day was, I guess, mostly travel up to Seattle. So nothing really big here. Tomorrow will be a better video. And man, let me tell you something. We had that little trip to Cincinnati, and Mita's work ethic is, I would probably say, more intense than mine, man. She had me struggling trying to keep up, trying to get things ready for her move up to the Cincinnati area. So we're living life and enjoying it the best we can. And just wanted to make sure I got another video sent out to you guys. And I think I'm running about 4 or 5 days behind, so I got some more content before I start making some more. So appreciate you watching. Thanks for your support. Have a great day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day, headed to the Salvage yard, get rid of this ugly hood, and then get back, mail out some parts, and head to the airport. Here we go, people. The happiest place on earth. I hear there's a C70 out here with some jewels. At least that's what the website said. I don't know if they're still here. I'm not sure how long ago they posted those pictures and the car's been out here. But we're gonna find out in about 3 minutes. That's how long it's gonna take me to walk around here. Nice, gold. That's 60. That's 80. That's 60. That's 70. Like it's been painted. Man, the seats look really nice. Bottom. Somebody trashed the door panels for the front. It looks like it might have a rear wing. It does. Let me get those clips off of there for people. Turbo intercooled 740. Love those wheels. It's got all 4 of them. Here's that C70 with some jewels. Not sure what kind of wheels those are, but I know what kind of jewels these are. So grabbing these jewels. If somebody need them, let me know. Now, I don't know if I've ever seen a pair of jewels this rough, but somebody took the wire harness out of it and stripped this thing out of it, but these are better than not having jewels, so I'll probably take them and build a decent set out of them. Strange. Congratulations, whoever had this car. This is probably the ugliest C70 I've ever seen in my life. It stinks too. Whew. Another hoodless panther moment. Getting ready to put my nice hood back on. So that was it. Actually seen one of the roughest C70s I've ever seen, but I did pull those jewels between that set and another set. There'll be a decent set for somebody to have replace these just horrible SMV 70 lights out there for those other P80 cars. And thanks for watching. If you got to get in touch with me, do so. Call, text, leave a message here. Then the secondary ways are email, stuff like that. But the best way to get me is call or text me. And if I'm supposed to get something to you, do not be apprehensive about hitting me up weekly. I need those reminders. Mita says she's going to get that stuff organized for me so I don't be forgetting stuff. So looking forward to that support from her. We'll be a good team. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.